To celebrate 13 years of ChrisTV's life, we decided to put a little direct to view all of the stuff that you see on screen. That'll be released by the end of March 2022. I hope you enjoyed this little direct. Okay, here we go. An updated house tour will come in my YouTube channel as a premiere. Check your local listings in the description. A 13th anniversary photo of me will be added. The ChrisTV shirt, as well as the hat, will be added to the Animal Crossing New Horizons game. And a big special will be coming on YouTube. You saw all the cool stuff that will be coming out. And I hope you look forward to them. That's all for now. I hope you have a wonderful day. And stay cubing.